Gear up for the future with the latest advancements in tactical military technology. In 2025, innovation meets functionality with cutting-edge gadgets designed to enhance efficiency, safety, and performance in the field. From advanced communication tools to versatile survival gear, these 20 smart tactical devices are a must-have for military personnel, adventurers, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Stay prepared, stay connected, and conquer any challenge with these groundbreaking tools that redefine the standard for modern tactical equipment. Ready to upgrade your arsenal? Let's dive in. Staying organized in a fast-paced world requires a bag that keeps up with your needs and simplifies your life. Introducing the Halton Commuter bag, a versatile 25-liter backpack that transforms into a hanging organizer, making it the Swiss Army knife of bags. Designed for ultimate accessibility, it features a full-length zipper that lays the bag flat, revealing multiple compartments, a padded laptop sleeve, 2 large item pockets, 6 mesh pockets, an RFID safe valuables pocket, and an extendable shoe compartment. Built from durable, waterproof canvas, it withstands heavy packing and harsh weather. With adjustable straps, hip and chest support, and additional accessories like laundry or hip packs, this innovative bag is perfect for commuters, travelers, and adventurers alike. In a world of multitasking and constant movement, having a tool that combines functionality with stress relief is a game changer. Meet the IdeaSpark Revolver Screwdriver Fidget Toy, an innovative EDC tool featuring 6-bit internal storage and a magnetic quick-load design for seamless usability. Compact and ergonomically crafted, it ensures effortless handling with its strength-saving design and convenient ratchet switch for dual-directional use. Built for versatility and power, this screwdriver doubles as a fidget slider, offering a tactile, stress-relieving experience. Made from durable titanium, it's the perfect everyday carry companion with an EDC carrying bag. Whether for quick fixes or mindful moments, this tool is as practical as engaging. Streamlining your daily essentials is crucial in today's fast-paced world. The GPCA United One Wallet redefines everyday carry by integrating work and life essentials into a sleek, minimalistic design. This CNC machined unibody wallet, available in titanium or aluminum, holds 1 to 9 cards, cash, and even your ID, all within its open frame design. Its chisel aesthetic and red-black bands combine functionality and style, making it the ultimate EDC sidekick. The wallet features a built-in carabiner to clip onto keys, lanyards, or bags for convenience. With its pop-to-swap mechanism, it allows easy access to your badge, Tesla card, or favorite card. Tested in real-world conditions, this wallet's seamless design ensures you breeze through your day with unmatched practicality and futuristic appeal. In demanding situations, reliable and powerful illumination is essential for precision and safety. The OLIGHT Odin Weaponlight delivers exceptional performance with up to 1,250 lumens of brightness and a 240-meter beam distance, powered by a customized battery. Designed for versatility, it includes a removable M-LOK rail mount for quick and secure attachment with a push-to-lock mechanism, ensuring easy adaptability across platforms. The multifunctional tail cap allows seamless operation, while fast charging keeps it ready for action. With a durable, waterproof design and 1.5-meter drop resistance, the Odin Weaponlight withstands harsh conditions. Available in sleek black and desert tan finishes, this ultra-compact light redefines tactical utility, offering unmatched reliability for outdoor adventures or professional use. Seeing clearly in low light or nighttime conditions can be the difference between success and missed opportunities. Introducing the NIGHTRA Night Vision Excellence, the ultimate tool for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts, offering unmatched clarity and performance. With an 800-meter range and true full-color viewing, not reliant on AI processing, its advanced CMOS sensor ensures vibrant, 99% sRGB color accuracy in low-light conditions. Featuring an f1.2 super aperture, digital and optical zoom capabilities, and a 7-level infrared adjustment, it adapts seamlessly to your needs. Constructed with a high-strength silicone body and equipped with an 850 nanometer infrared illuminator, this monocular is durable and reliable. The 1.8-inch IPS display and 8-glass optically coated lens deliver crystal clear visuals, all powered by a 6-hour battery life for extended exploration. Keeping your hair secure while staying prepared for any situation is essential for an active, adventurous lifestyle. Meet the Tacticuture Tactical Scrunchie Hair Tie, a game-changing accessory that combines style, versatility, and strength. Made from 100% Kevlar, it's fire-resistant, slash-resistant, and incredibly durable, while remaining soft and comfortable for all-day wear. Its XXL size accommodates all hair types, and the hidden sewn pocket discreetly stores small essentials, making it a covert everyday carry multi-tool. Designed for unpredictable lifestyles, the Tactical Scrunchie transitions seamlessly from professional attire to rugged adventures. With aramid fibers for superior heat resistance and strength, this lightweight scrunchie keeps your hair controlled while providing unmatched versatility for the modern warrior. Protecting your privacy, security, and health in an increasingly connected world is essential. The Silent Pocket Leather Goods offers an innovative solution with their patented Faraday technology, seamlessly integrated into sleek wallets, phone cases, and laptop sleeves. These premium leather products effectively block all wireless signals, including cellular, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, RFID, and NFC, ensuring you stay secure and off the grid when needed. Designed for professionals, travelers, and privacy-conscious individuals, Silent Pocket combines timeless style with cutting-edge functionality. Crafted from high-quality materials, they safeguard your data against threats like electronic pickpocketing and signal tracking. Whether navigating public Wi-Fi or protecting sensitive information, Silent Pocket products deliver peace of mind with unmatched security and sophistication. Staying equipped and prepared for outdoor adventures demands a reliable and versatile companion. The Mardingtop Small Tactical Backpack is designed for biking, hiking, camping, and beyond. Compact yet spacious, it features a dedicated hydration system, ensuring you stay refreshed on long journeys. The Molle system offers customizable gear attachment, enhancing functionality for climbing, skiing, or exploring. Its durable YKK zippers and buckles ensure smooth operation and lasting quality, while the included rain cover shields your essentials from unexpected weather. With multiple compartments and pockets, this backpack provides organized storage for clothing, maps, and tools. Lightweight and adaptable, it combines tactical performance with comfort, making it an indispensable choice for adventurers on day-long or overnight trips. Personal safety is crucial, whether you're navigating city streets or venturing into the great outdoors. The SABRE Tactical Pepper Gel offers unmatched protection with maximum police strength OC spray and advanced tactical design. Engineered for security professionals and everyday use, it features a flip-top safety to prevent accidental discharge and a belt holster for quick, easy access. Delivering 18 bursts with a 20% greater range, it keeps threats at a safe distance while virtually eliminating wind blowback. The UV marking dye aids in suspect identification, and SABRE's exclusive in-house testing ensures consistent, reliable performance. Compact and effective, this pepper gel is your trusted companion for confidence and peace of mind wherever life takes you. Exploring the world with clarity and precision is essential for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. The AYRAVIIO Monocular telescope combines advanced optics and user-friendly design to deliver an exceptional viewing experience. Featuring a 60mm large objective lens, an 18mm BK4 prism, and an SMC coating, it offers 12x magnification and a 21mm eyepiece for a wide, bright field of view. Its sturdy tripod and universal smartphone adapter make it perfect for capturing stunning visuals. Designed for durability, it boasts waterproof and anti-fog materials, ensuring clear images in any weather. Ideal for hiking, survival gear, and adventures, this compact monocular is easy to use with one-hand focus adjustment. A perfect gift for men, dads, teens, or anyone who loves exploring life's details. Having the right tools for survival situations is essential for any adventurer or outdoor enthusiast. The NedFoss Tactical Survival Knife is designed for reliability and precision, featuring a 4-inch full-tang hunting blade made of 440C steel. Its durable G10 handle ensures superior hand control, providing comfort and agility during use. The knife offers razor-sharp cutting performance, making it perfect for tasks like splitting firewood or preparing tinder. The well-balanced design and perfect proportioning make it easy to handle, even under challenging conditions. With its Kydex sheath for easy carry and fire starter included, this knife is ready for emergencies. Whether for survival, hunting, or outdoor adventures, it stands up to the toughest challenges. In any demanding situation, having a reliable, compact tool at your disposal is crucial. Introducing the Copi's STK Multitool, an ultra-versatile, durable tool designed for everyday carry and outdoor activities. Machined and assembled with S35VN steel and 6AL4V titanium, it offers exceptional performance and strength. Featuring a scraper blade, bottle opener, 1/4-inch bit driver, and a flathead pry edge, the STK handles a variety of tasks with ease. Weighing just 2.9 ounces, it fits perfectly in your pocket or gear. The built-in money clip secures cash and cards, while the wire stripper, wingnut/O2 wrench, and hand-sharpened cutting edges ensure you're always prepared. Whether for utility or survival, the STK is a perfect complement to your gear. When working on hard surfaces for extended periods, protection and comfort for your knees are essential. The Klein Tools knee pad offers heavy-duty protection with its lightweight and flexible design. These knee pad sleeves provide all-day comfort and support with triple-layer protection, including an anti-abrasion layer, impact-absorbing polyurethane padding, and neoprene comfort foam. The elastic cuff with slip-resistant silicone ensures a secure fit, while the breathable mesh back adds comfort during long hours of wear. Designed to fit like a second skin, these knee pads can be worn over or under pants for maximum convenience. Ideal for construction, maintenance, and other physically demanding tasks, they offer the durability and protection you need throughout the day. For those who need versatile, high-performance pants that can handle any situation, these are essential. The Woody's denim pant is part of the brand's latest Unbound performance collection, designed for maximum flexibility and comfort. Crafted from the next-generation Tech Stream fabric, these pants offer 5 times more stretch than previous generations, allowing you to move freely throughout your day. Stain-resistant, lightweight, and breathable, they provide durability and comfort, whether you're in the office or on an adventure. The pants feature slanted pockets, a hidden phone pocket, and RFID-blocking zippered back pockets for added security. With their modern fit and quick-drying, wrinkle-free fabric, these pants combine style, performance, and convenience for an everyday, go-anywhere wardrobe staple. When you're adventuring in remote or rugged environments, staying connected and having a reliable communication tool is essential. The Unihertz Atom Walkie-Talkie is the ultimate outdoor companion, combining a 48 MP camera, a 4-inch screen, and rugged durability. Waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, this phone can withstand the harshest conditions. With the added DMR walkie-talkie function, you can stay connected even when there's no cellular network, making it perfect for adventurers. The device features Android 10, fast charging, and a long-lasting 4,300 mAh battery, ensuring reliability throughout your journey. With military-grade protection, an upgraded GPS, and a built-in air pressure sensor, the Atom XL is designed for those who need a phone that works in the toughest conditions. In today's fast-paced world, having a watch band that enhances the usability of your smartwatch during activities is a game-changer. Meet the Smartly Hub ErgonBand watch, a luxury leather ergonomic watch band designed for classic, sport, and smartwatches like Apple, Samsung, and Garmin. It positions your watch at the perfect viewing angle, allowing you to check your stats with a simple glance without moving your hand, making it ideal for running, cycling, and other activities. The adjustable size ensures it fits most gloves, so you can wear it comfortably during outdoor sports or in winter. With its stylish design and functionality, the ErgonBand enhances performance and safety, allowing you to get the most out of your smartwatch on any occasion. In today's world, monitoring and improving your breathing is essential for maintaining optimal health and performance. Introducing the BULO Breath Analysis Device, a compact handheld device created by ex-Samsung engineers to measure and analyze your airflow. It provides real-time insights into your lung age and maximum air capacity and tracks daily progress to help improve your breathing. By simply breathing into the device for 6 seconds, you receive personalized data and suggested breathing exercises to enhance your lung health. Crafted from non-toxic materials, BULO is low maintenance and easily portable, making it an ideal tool for integrating breath training into your daily routine for better performance and overall wellness. Staying organized and prepared while on the road is essential for efficiency and convenience. Introducing the HODRANT Tactical Seat Back Organizer, a versatile and durable solution designed to maximize vehicle storage and accessibility. Featuring a sturdy design, it includes multiple Molle-compatible pouches, such as an EMT bag, walkie-talkie pouch, water bottle pouch, and a multifunctional tactical dumping bag. The organizer attaches securely by fastening buckles on the headrest and seat, while snap fasteners keep the Molle pouches firmly in place. Its drawstring water bottle pouch ensures easy hydration access, and the multi-purpose design makes it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, emergency responders, and everyday drivers looking for practical organization. Staying hydrated while on the go is crucial for any adventure or daily activity. The Orca Tactical Molle water bottle pouch is a versatile, heavy-duty carrier designed to fit most bottles up to 40 ounce. Measuring 11 inches in height by 4.5 inches in diameter, it offers ample space in a lightweight and compact frame. Crafted from 600D polyester material with reinforced double stitching and high-quality YKK zippers, it's built for durability in tough conditions. The thick insulation keeps liquids cooler for longer, while the top, bottom, and front compartments provide extra storage for essentials like batteries, accessories, or snacks. Equipped with Molle compatibility, a padded shoulder strap, and a grip handle, this pouch ensures convenience and functionality for everyone. For those who want to protect their smartwatch during intense activities without compromising functionality, this product is a game changer. The Michael Flatley smartwatch offers unparalleled impact protection with D3O's award-winning shock absorption technology, ensuring your watch remains safe during rigorous training. Designed for all fitness tracking devices, its patent-pending bands fit securely, making it ideal for athletes and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're at the gym, on the court, or navigating the city, it allows you to track your health metrics in real time while safeguarding your smartwatch. Trusted by top sports brands, this innovative band blends functionality and durability, helping you achieve fitness goals confidently without removing your watch or fearing damage.